How to optimize Illustrator files for the best compatibility with Desygner. Text elements should not be separated. They should always be in blocks. This will ensure they are kept together in the Desygner editor. Text elements should not be converted to outlines. The fonts must always be editable, otherwise they will not be changed as text in Desygner. Objects or shapes with appearance attributes like fill or stroke need to be expanded into paths, or they may not be visible in the Desygner editor. Rasterize every gradient and mask element. And finally, make all PDF layers visible. Now you are ready to export your file as a PDF. The file should be saved as Adobe PDF with Adobe PDF preset set to Illustrator default. Make sure the option Preserve Illustrator Editing Capabilities is enabled. And done! You can now import your PDF file straight into Desygner and change every element of it.